Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is written as a rectangular open channel has a width of 5 meter and a bed slope of 0.001. For a uniform flow of depth 2 meter, the velocity is 2 meter per second. The Manning's roughness coefficient for the channel is. Now we have to solve this question. Now Manning's equation is given by V equals to 1 by n r to the power 2 by 3 s to the power 1 by 2. Therefore on putting the value we will have 2 equals to 1 by n b into y upon b plus 2y to the power 2 by 3 into s to the power 1 by 2. Now we will put the value, that is 2 equals to 1 by n in bracket. We will have 5 into 2 upon 5 plus 2 into 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 0.001 to the power 1 by 2. On solving this, we will have n equals to 0.01696, which will be nearly equals to 0.017. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.